Hey guys, here to talk to you today about a GM Dana 60 outer kit. And what this is a kit we've put together for a Kingpin Dana 60 front axle from a Chevrolet. It's got the 6-bolt spindle, and it comes with everything included from the spindle all the way out. Starting off, you've got a spindle, then we have the bearings for it, then you go to the wheel hubs, then it has 3/4 ton brakes, already set up with the brackets. All the wheel studs are already machined to fit the rotor to the wheel hub, calipers, spindle nuts, the whole 9 yards. It makes this a completely simple kit at a one-stop shop. You don't have to go around searching for anything. It's all together in one place, fits any Dana 60 knuckle from a Chevrolet. It's got the 6-bolt pattern. We're gonna throw it on a knuckle for you right quick so you can kind of see how it goes together. So we've got our parts laid out here. Working on Dana 60 knuckle. This is a Chevrolet bolt pattern. Ford and Chevrolet do carry different bolt patterns, so make sure you got the 6-bolt pattern. First piece to go on will be your spindle. And this is not a symmetrical bolt pattern, so you kind of got to play with it just a little bit until you get the right bolt pattern to line up. There that is. Spindle always goes on first on a Chevrolet. On a Ford, spindle goes on second, brake bracket first. Then your brake bracket's gonna go on. Then line up these 1/2-inch nuts. Okay, it's got that part on there tightened up. Next, we're going to put on the wheel hub. We've already put the rotor, wheel hub together with the studs. The studs actually press in from the back side, and that's what holds the rotor to the wheel hub. I'm going to do this with dry bearings just for ease of showing you guys how it works, but you'd want to pack these bearings and drive the seal in the back side. So now you got that ready to put on the spindle nuts. The spindle nuts, a little bit that we provide, have a little bitty dowel pin on the back one. What you have to do is you've got to take this piece and align it and get it to the right tightness, so whenever you slide on this keeper, the dowel pin overlaps that back dowel in the keeper, and that's what keeps it from coming loose ever. So you'll buy the right socket that has a key cutout. And that's what that little key cutout is for whenever you buy the socket for that dowel pin. All right, once you get that snug down, tighten down your wheel bearing and set your preload on your wheel bearings. Now, it'll take a few times of on and off to take this right here and get the little roll pin lined up with these holes. Also, whenever you're taking it on, if it doesn't fit the first time and you flip this around, it may fit the second time, so double check that always. All right, after you get your keeper on there and it's lined up with the pin, you take a second nut and run it on. If you run it on, tighten it up as tight as you can get it. All right, take your caliper bracket. Make sure you've got the caliper with the bleeder pointing up on the right side. All right, so there you guys have it. This full outer kit comes with a spindle, wheel hub, rotor, bearings, brake kit, everything you need to finish off the outer on your Dana 60 knuckle.